是自家去拿。
The menu?
You can pick the fresh things by yourself.
Oh my god, really?
Yes, yes.
That's amazing.
Everybody full of everything.
You wanna go check it out? Wow, there's so many
好
foods.
多東西，你要什麼嘅
This one?
？OK。
Let's get a
要
few.
係主要，來，其他要上嗰啲冇。
It all looks so fresh.
係啊，佢要係動詞呢，按多動詞，
These are like fresh vegetables. They have fresh meat,
長者會來嘅。
fresh seafood. Take some fish.
哦，也沒動詞哦，
Yeah, the seafood is so fresh. Okay.
一米出來。好。動詞哦。
Wow, it's so fresh.
大打俾你開山動詞。
Yeah, the seafood is so fresh.
自己開山啊，定係開嗰個？濃厚嘅咯。
These vegetables smell really nice. When it's cooking, it can smell
fresh
Yeah.
自己開山學你。
Thank you very much.
票拿喊寫我唔。 動詞嘅開山哦，有時都詞嘅咪絲嘛，
Oh, so fresh.
要開山動詞哦，眼前色了。
It's so fresh. I can taste it. Yeah, the seafood is so fresh.
聽聽，動聲啊，
Cute. Yeah.
閉上。啊，很涼爽。肉到嘅開山動詞呢？
Yeah, the seafood is so fresh. 可惜我们只有吃到虾子。
哦。